Right now I look crazy as hell, but I'm about to film my I'm about to film a current wash day routine, I guess, so to speak. So yeah.
I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Besides, the snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey guys, so basically I start off by detangling my hair, starting from the end of the strand and working my way up very gently, because at this point my hair is super dry. It's very thirsty. It doesn't have much oil in it or moisture, so I'm trying to be as gentle as possible while doing this. So y'all, I just kind of like detangled my hair because I've been wearing it like a really old twist out, and it's been super like matted together, starting to lock up on the bottom again. That's what my hair tends to do. So now that it is all taken out, I'm about to wash this thing, y'all. About to wash this thing, so I'll be back in a few. Okay, so I have washed and detangled my hair, and it has deep condition in it right now. I have in the Garnier conditioner with castor oil, and I'm just gonna let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes with a shower cap. So as you can see from my oil, I am using a castor oil. Now I'm not really sure what the brand is for this, but I did get it from Marshall's. And for the leave-in, I am using Cantu's coconut curling cream. So now I'm just going to unravel the twist that I already had section, and I'm going to lightly just press the towel up against my hair to get the extra water so it's not dripping, sopping wet. And I'm going to apply the curling cream in vigorously throughout my hair, followed by the oil, of course. And I'm just going to take my brush, my detangling brush, and comb through my hair. once everything is nice and detangled and smooth, I just begin to twist this section, and I do that all over my head until it is complete. So after I have all my twists completed, I do like to go in with a little bit more of that oil along the ends of my twists just to ensure that everything is sealed in. I like to apply a little bit more to my scalp as well so everything could be nice and cohesive and moisturized to the T. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I thank you all so much for tuning into this video. You already know what it is. I love you guys so much. Please, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you share this video. All of that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. I love y'all.